spot. First time having this place. It's called Holy. SCHNITZEL. I don't know how to say that. Zeno? I don't know. Y'all know. I like to try new places when I gotta eat. I like to try new places when I go to town. So, we're gonna see what it hit for. Fries okay. I was trying to debate. I want fries. Or do I want or do I want onion rings? I ain't had no onion rings in a minute. But this is a sandwich, yo. It looks like it's good. I'm not even about to smash. Let's see. I was gonna call people on this mukbang and see if they pick up, but my phone is like 2%. So, like, so y'all can't do that. But I can. I could get my laptop and do it, but. Matter of fact, we're gonna do it. I don't know. Okay, so I went to go get some alcohol. This place that like put the little shoe, just like a shoe block, and then you put alcohol in the shoe. They didn't have no more. I got this little souvenir alcohol thing. Not the best. Not good. So I tried to mix it, it just made it even worse. Ooh, that's why I got these drinks. I didn't even know I had this before, I just want to try it. Yeah, it might be the problem. But let me see on my phone. I got a little fast charger or whatever for my AirPods, so it'd be charging a little bit faster with y'all. She's on 10 already. Let me got the who gonna be first? Let's call terrible. Fake ass. Let's see if she pops. Just because we've been snapping, I'm gonna see if she pick up. Look who picked up.
Why wouldn't I?
Okay, your ass fake?
No, I'm not.
Oh, fake ass.
Anyways, we're listening to music, so I will call you when I get home.
I was just calling people to see who I was gonna pick up anyway. And you ain't gonna call me back anyway. You said that the other day.
Call me at 11:30.
You said.
I'll call you.
Yeah, alright, whatever. Okay. Said that the other day.
I'll call you at 11:30. I'm gonna put an alarm on my phone.
You gonna have to do something, because don't put no money on it.
I'll put 5 bands on.
Put 5 bands on it and don't set no alarm.
Alright.
Alright. About to lose 5 bands. Motherfucker gonna set alarm. Okay, we got him. Gabby, she might be at work. Listen. She might be asleep. and pick it up. Let's get in the boot. Let's see. I might need to go to my test method. I really don't be testing nobody, y'all, so damn. I gotta scroll further back. Can't call. Can call, but I ain't gonna call him. Matter of fact, I know exactly what I'm about to call him. Gotta text somebody back. I'm calling Jordan. This shit should be good. I like Jordan looking mad at me. I ain't gonna pick up. I'm trying to call some different people than the number of people I always call. I said, if you say so. I might come in. You see how these people fuck with you. Right now I'm 1 for 4. I'm calling these people, yo. Nobody don't fuck with me for real. Nobody don't fuck with me for real. See? Look. Trying to tell you, ain't nobody don't fuck with me for real. I don't know if I can call them a call out. I ain't calling anybody out the blue. We ain't talked in the last couple of days. I ain't really trying to, you know what I'm saying, call. I ain't got nobody else I can call. I guess we're on abort mission, because I ain't got nobody else I can call. And yeah. But no cap, I'm about to go to the beach. I ain't been the whole time I've been here. I'm gonna go tonight, I'm gonna go in the morning, and then I'm going jet skiing in the morning too. And then I gotta go get my aunt something, cause the souvenir shop that I went to, and I had no for what? Which is crazy. I ain't had her name on it. I ain't had no L. I ain't had nothing. It was crazy. Kind of disappointing. I like these fries. I tell you, I went to Bacon Bit. Too long waiting. Yeah, I went to Rome Mall. I go to another mall. I didn't have time, but I ended up getting my sister to go. I'm gonna have to edit that out of this video. Well, she didn't know I got her, girl. She don't know where I got her. I don't know. I might. I'll be telling her in the beginning. Nothing. Stuff is so far. Like, I went to Bacon Bit, and that shit was it was like 30-40 minutes away, just for the line to be too long. Came back, I was hungry, so I was like, I'm gonna go somewhere near here. Went to Burger King, waited in line, for them to have a sign on the speaker that say cash on. I don't carry cash. But on the way down to Burger King, I seen McDonald's. I just couldn't get over. So I was like, alright, I'll just go to McDonald's. Get McDonald's line, cash only. Luckily, 2 buildings down from McDonald's was the Wells Fargo, so I just parked and walked to Wells Fargo. Got cash out and got me some food. Yeah, I was getting irritable. Like, you know, when you ain't ate, you just like, you're just getting annoyed. That was me. I had 8, I was getting annoyed. Damn, that wasn't good. Yeah, the rental I got, I need to waste some more gas. Cause I paid to refill the gas up, but there's no need to have a tank. I did this twice. And last time I did that, I didn't use all the gas either. I took it back at like half a tank. I need to quit paying. Well, I think it's cheaper to prepay for gas, but I need to quit doing it if I can keep the car that long. Because I don't never use up a lot of gas. Yeah, it is what it is. Somebody chased me. You know I don't got hoes. Somebody actually snapped me too. My 2 minutes snapped me. I'll read that in a minute. I'm trying to finish eating. I'm trying to run to the beach. I'm come back probably edit the video. We're watching a movie. Watch that movie, that Kevin Hart movie that come out. And you go to sleep, go to the beach, then go jet skiing. And yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna, you know, call it a day. I got my swimming trunks right now. Got another pair of swimming trunks right there. I got some swimming trunks right there. I know I brought some in. I guess all gonna be. I still went to the beach when I first got here. You know, to get food. I should have ate before I got to the airport. That's what I should have did. So I wouldn't have been hungry. So I went to the beach. But it was real cool. It is what it is. Ain't what it ain't. I'll leave out tomorrow. Just a little day trip, little vacation. Really because I have something to do tomorrow in Charlotte, so I ain't gonna vlog it, so I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm going to a comedy show tomorrow in Charlotte, so I gotta get back in time for that. So I just decided to do a little, you know what I'm saying, trip, get away for a little bit, chill. I'm supposed to get a massage at the resort I'm at. They offer massages, but they was booked up, so I might just get one from Massage Envy Saturday if they have something available. I need to go look on there and look and see. I really do need a massage, bro, no cap. But yeah, this bottle is like, the bottle and the alcohol, it's like $30 something. Alcohol already, so I really just paid for the bottle. But it is what it is. It's about the experience. It's more, not less, how much money you spend. Money comes and goes. I don't even know how much money I've spent since I've been down here. I just be swiping and shit. We'll calculate, do all that math when I get back. Cause it ain't like I'm not still gonna be on vacation when I get back. I'm done. It was straight. I mean, it was okay. It's not major. It wasn't nasty. But yeah, that's it for this mukbang. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Comment below where my next vacation should be. Yeah, I'm just trying. Been to Alabama. Been to Florida in the last 3 weeks. I went to Florida. I went to Tampa, Florida in February. I'm in Miami, Florida right now. We know where the next vacation is, man. I've been to Tennessee. I've been to Virginia. I've been to Virginia Beach. I've been to West Virginia. I've been to South Carolina. I want to go places I ain't been before, man. Comment down below somewhere I should go. I've been to Georgia. I've been to Atlanta. But I ain't been there for real. I've been there, but I ain't been there for real. I've been to Atlanta for a day trip. I've been to Georgia. I rode to Georgia twice, no 3 times. So I might have to go back and spend the night. That might be the next move. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll see.